Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do screen mirroring in Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone with any Android TV. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings icon and then go to connections and then go to mobile hotspot and tethering, and here turn on the button against mobile hotspot and click over mobile hotspot. I would like to set no password. Setting password is more important than using password without password. Okay, so it is better to use password. Here complex password by a default it is set. Okay, so if it is a complex password, you can change it. Just click on configure and change the password to your choice. Here I would like to change the password to none, because for demo purpose I don't want to take more time to typing password here, and I change it to security and I click on save. Yes, it is now turned on. Okay, mobile hotspot is turned on in my phone. And now go to your TV, go to your TV and go to settings in your TV. Go to the settings of the TV here, and then go to additional settings, then go to network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi here, and it will scan the available network. Here mobile hotspot is showing signal from mobile hotspot, that is hotspot created in your phone is showing like Galaxy A04 44785. okay, just click over it and it will be connected to your phone. Yes, it is connected now. See there, it is connected successfully. Now come to your phone, and go to Google Play Store and search the term Google Home app, and just click on install this app. Just you go to install this Google Home app. It will download and install on your phone. So first step is to make mobile hotspot in your phone and connect mobile hotspot to your TV using the network and internet options in your phone, in your TV. Okay, then you have to install Google Home app, and then you can easily do screen mirroring by following other steps that can be provided now. See here, it is installed, and click on open and it will be open, and click on get started and click on OK and click on next. Give all permissions, click on next again, give all permission. And if you want to, if it asks to turn on Wi-Fi, just click on activate, but don't turn on Wi-Fi, because if you turn on Wi-Fi, maybe mobile hotspot will be turned off. So to proceed further, just go to the home screen. Okay, and then again open the same app from your phone, that is Google Home app. Now click on next, and yes, now signal from your TV is showing, will be showing. Okay, click on not now, and see here, signal from your TV will be showing. Just wait. Yes, click on devices, and here it is showing Android TV. Just click it and click on cast my screen. Now click on cast screen and click on start now. Phone screen will be now mirrored to your TV. See here, yes, it is mirrored to TV. What I see in my phone, that is also in my TV. Okay, to increase the volume, you just use this bar. Okay, up to 100% you can increase the volume. If you want to reduce the volume, use this bar to the left, that is in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, if you use clockwise direction, it will increase. If you use anti-clockwise direction, volume will be decreased. Okay, so here I go to home screen in my phone. There's also seen in my TV. See there. Okay, so what I open in my phone, that's also seen in my TV. See here, I have opened Gmail, that's also in my TV. So in this way you can easily do screen mirroring in your phone, Samsung Galaxy A04 with any Android TV. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.